Hello everyone. So we are
in Galveston.
In Galveston, almost to the Carnival Vista.
Yeah, can't see any welltail yet, but I'm sure it's just right on the horizon somewhere.
Yeah. It's a gloomy day, but it did stop raining, thank goodness.
No such thing as a gloomy day when you're boarding a ship.
That is very true.
Yeah. No gloom and doom here. Sunshine and rainbows.
Sunshine and rainbows?
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Hello. Howdy.
Y'all excited about this cruise?
Yeah.
Y'all are sporting something new for this cruise, huh? Big smiles. Oh, we got braces
Holy
on.
braces, Batman.
Yeah, that's new. That just happened last week? Week before last week.
Well, they got their uppers. They got to still get their lowers.
Yeah, the lowers will go on next month, so.
Galveston, we made it.
Yay, we're officially on Galveston Island now.
Now we just got to get to parking.
Woo! We're almost there.
Yeah.
Yay. I'm excited. It looks like the sun's trying to come out. We've had to put our sunglasses on. It's gonna be a good day.
Most definitely.
We may get a little bit of rain today, but
It's gonna be a good week. It's gonna be an excellent 8 days.
8 days. Yeah, this is a longer cruise. We've never done an 8-day. So we have 4 sea days, if you count today as a sea day, and then 4 port days. So we've got Cozumel, Costa Maya, Belize, and Roatan.
Yaman.
Yaman. I'm going to Jamaica. Hands on the wheel.
My knee.
Okay, step 1, we are parked. We're on the shuttle bus.
I tell you what, that's never fun.
Parking is not fun.
The whole parking situation just really is never a lot of fun. I'll be honest with you. There's not enough buttons to censor me when we're parking. But that's over, and we're on the shuttle, and we're all here. We're all one big happy family.
Yeah.
Look, we got my brother here, and my niece.
Happy to be here.
She got dropped off over there. She was in a different car, but I got all my nephews here and my sons. So
We're off.
the fun is just right there.
We're so close to the line. Big ship problems. When you're getting on a ship this big, the line is insane. Okay, so our check-in is 12. We're here at 12. There are at least 2,000 people in line ahead of us. I am not exaggerating. We're gonna be here in a minute. Okay, so here it is 12 o'clock on the dot. Let's see how long it takes us to get through this line into the building. I'll check back in. Okay, so it took us about 20 minutes to get from the very back of the line to the part where it splits out to where if you're on time you go one way, if you're late you have to stay in another line. So we were on time and we have priority boarding, so we got to go in that line, which if we would have realized we could have just skipped that whole thing and gone straight to priority, but we didn't know. So we're not used to having priority boarding, so that was new for us. But yeah, we're actually in the terminal now, in line, just waiting to get on the ship now. We're boarding! Yes, we're getting on the ship right now. Here we go, look, Carnival Vista. Oh. And we're on. We're officially on the ship. Yay! Yeah, we are. We're officially on the ship. Are y'all excited?
Yeah.
Yes, are you
My
excited?
hair's wet as much as yours.
That's okay.
We need a brush. The first thing we need is a brush.
A brush? Yeah.
That's okay.
Wow, what do you think, Jace?
There's no elevator.
It's over there. We gotta get around the bar.
I think it's absolutely stunning. There's Mr. Towel Animal.
Oh, the Mr. Towel Animal's out? Aww. All right, let's make our way around to the stairs.
Okay.
So we have connecting cabin 7399 and 7403. Is me.
Oh, why didn't you say so? Come on.
Hi.
What a pleasant surprise.
So we have interior cabins on this cruise. So this is mine and Jason's. And we've taken a quick peek. So we've got our TV, mini fridge, storage here, storage here.
No mini fridge is complete without Diet Dr. K, Kroger brand.
That's my drink of
Diet
choice.
Dr. Pepper.
Yes, it is.
And I hate to tell you, when you get used to drinking these and you go back to a regular
Diet Dr. Pepper, it's not as good.
Ew, gross.
Yeah. Okay, so closet space. Drawers! Yes! I love drawers. Shelves,
I'll just be over
closet,
here breaking down the
mirror.
boxes.
And we are about to unpack too. And then bathroom, shower.
Where's the trash
And
can?
we have shower gel and shampoo. And then, oops, I'm gonna step into the shower and you can see the bathroom. So, what do we do first when we get on a cruise?
Unpack.
Yes, we do.
Stock the cooler. Unpack. And then we can go, then we can breathe.
Because this is home.
Okay, then we go wander until find my brother. They're still, they're hopefully checking in right now, but then kind of wander around where we can and then wait for muster and off we go.
Yeah.
Sail away party.
Yay!
Yeah.
All right, let's check the boys. So this is a connecting room. So here's our connecting doors.
Yep. There's our other half, literally.
Hey guys!
Here's your...
So see, their cabin is split into 2 beds. Oh yes, pop-up hamper, put that in my closet, please.
Actually,
Promotion.
Cameron, can you put this...
Your favorite New Queen shirt.
I want this one.
But see, their room is a mirror image of ours.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Go get the broken one.
Oh, we get the broken hamper, thank you.
You're welcome.
Cool. We have an envelope.
And a pen.
Oh look, welcome aboard, Elisa and Cameron.
I thought we turned that off.
Aww.
Yeah, Dad, remember?
And then this is technically, well, it doesn't have that on there. This is technically Jason and
Me and you,
Colby's
buddy.
room, but
You're here.
that's
got
not
this.
how we sleep.
Mom, now look at it now.
Team Awesome over
It's
here.
off.
I turned it off. Put it back on.
Yeah, so, whew.
Cozy.
Okay, FYI,
It's very hot in here.
it's better to take the stairs than the elevators, but slugging 4 people's luggage and 4
you
12
just call me a
packs.
slug?
No, so to up 4 flights of stairs when you're out of shape like me, I thought I was gonna die.
Cameron.
Oh, Jason was fine.
It's
Yeah,
already
Jason was
cold.
fine. My face is red. I need like water. I need to calm down. Ah, that feels glorious.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna have to come back up and go
Hold
back
on.
down and pick her up and carry her.
Mom, it's as cold as it can be.
It's as cold as it can be. All right,
Okay.
we're gonna unpack now. You ready to unpack?
Gonna unpack now, you hear?
Once, I want to do this.
Okay.
We've never done it before, and I want to do it.
Okay, we can do that.
It's breakfast in bed.
It's continental breakfast where they bring it. We'll do that on a sea day
Oh my
one
God,
day.
it's Shaq. Of course it's Shaq.
Okay, so the room is unpacked now, right, guys?
Yeah.
All right, show me your unpacking job. Let's see your closet first.
I did this. This is my specialty. I hung all of my shirts, pretty much. Mine. Cameron's.
Okay, then we got stuff on the shelves. We got our shoes here. And then y'all utilized the drawers.
I
Okay.
shoved all of Cameron's stuff in here. My shirt.
Well, Cameron, I think you can do a little bit better job on. You can hang up some of your shirts.
No, they don't need to be hanged.
Okay.
Trust me. They're all meant.
Close that door.
I got them all in my closet, but like.
All right. Let's see. You unpacked your bathroom.
Warning. It smells like vinegar.
It does smell like vinegar.
This is Cameron's side. No. My side.
Yeah,
It takes a lot to look this good. It doesn't take much to look this terrible.
You look awesome.
I look terrible. You look fine.
I look good.
So,
Here, Mom.
I brought
Now I look
razors
terrible.
for. I brought my entire razor kit and hair gel for formal night. I'm looking my best on formal night.
Awesome.
I'm
So
gonna-
see, teenage boys can do a good job in their own cabin, huh?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna make sure Cameron's in check and doesn't throw stuff all over the floor. By the way, Cameron, if I come in one day and there's just like after I go to the buffet and there's like clothes on the floor, I'm gonna yell at you. Look, there's already clothes on the floor.
All right, let's go check out my cabin. Oh, they're not clothes on the. There are clothes on the floor. Shh.
It's abuse.
Okay, so now here's our cabin. Jace, you want to show off the unpack job?
You know, I'm getting so many birthday wishes. I'm just trying to.
Everyone
I
wished
can't
Dad happy
answer
birthday.
anybody right now. What?
Everybody tell Jason happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jason.
Today's
Happy
April
birthday.
13th. We're setting sail on his birthday.
What a great birthday present this is.
No
this
kidding.
is basically like the coolest birthday week ever. And thank everybody that has wished me a happy birthday so far. I feel the love, man. I really do. And I really, really appreciate it. So you've made this day that much better. And we love you back. So here we go. It's going to be fun. Now what do we do?
Okay, now we're going to show the room unpacked. Okay, so in the little cubbies here, we put our backpack. That's our port bag, my camera bag, and then that's my other backpack that my computer is in. And then we have unpacked and stocked the mini fridge. Both
Lord
mini
Almighty.
Yeah, theirs is stocked right there, and ours is stocked right here.
Ours is very green and gray.
There's our 2 bottles of wine. I got screw caps this time, so I didn't have to worry about a corkscrew.
Can I have some?
And lift the flaps under the bed. See, luggage is safely stored under the bed. And in our bathroom, we have unpacked as well. Oops, let me get it out of the shot. Okay, so we have unpacked. And new thing are these bath products. That's new. The hand sanitizer's mine. I bring that everywhere I go. Extra sunscreen. And then here is, let's see, my makeup bag, hairbrush, the little bit of jewelry I bring, that's Downy wrinkle releaser. And then see, I love this toiletries bag because it holds everything standing up, easy to get into, and it takes up that much space. Pretty awesome, huh? Okay, let's see our closet. Okay, so we have hung up as much as we can. I think we have a couple of empty hangers, but we've hung up. We have a hamper for dirty stuff. And then we have utilized our drawers, shoes, and then that's my shelf of t-shirts and shorts and Jason's shelf of t-shirts and shorts. So we're packed and ready to go. You ready for some lunch?
Yeah.
I'm starving. Let's go eat some lunch.
I'm so hungry. Yeah.
It's like 1:30.
We're all settled in. Boys, you guys ready?
So as tradition, our door decorations are up, and this is mine and Jason's cabin. We disembark on Easter Sunday, so we have Easter bunnies. And here's Cameron.
I have the
and
longest
Goldie.
name in this family.
Yeah, so you had to take 2 eggs. You needed 2 eggs. Don't. The first view of the pool. Yay. Oh, look at
I
that.
can smell the guy's burger.
Oh my God. Okay. I could kill a burger. Y'all want a burger or y'all want to do something else?
Burger patty.
Let's get burgers. It's kind of meant to be when you walk out the door and the first food venue is Guy's Burgers.
And you know, it always seems to be the first place we go is on Toledo Day.
Yeah.
It's always just your first, I just like muscle memory.
Oh yeah. The funny thing is we watched Guy Fieri for like all evening yesterday on Food Network.
Well, it's kind of always on in the background.
Yeah.
Of the house. Diners, drive-ins, and dives.
I want a regular burger with donkey sauce. Yeah. Oh, fries. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. So I'm sticking to the keto thing so far.
Yeah, so he lost his bun. No fries.
Loaded down with all kind of goodness. A little bit of barbecue sauce just to change the flavor up. No bread. We'll need enough food to fill me up.
Yeah.
Wait till it comes across over here.
Oh yeah, we saw some people on the sky ride a minute ago. Next stop. Oh, there's the sky ride.
There it goes. See them? Man, they're trucking. We
There
already
they
lost
go.
the boys. The twins are already gone.
They were going to put swim trunks on.
Here comes that wind gust that they said they were. Oh, here they come.
Here's another. That's pretty cool. So we've taken a nice little stroll around.
Yeah.
Seen a lot of the outdoor activities. What's your first impression?
Oh, it's killer.
Yeah.
It's you can really, I'm starting to see the size of it now.
Mm-hmm.
Lots of stuff to do for the kids and the adults. The little sky ride looks awesome. We've been watching people zoom around on it. There was no line. We noticed we were going to get on it. And they were like, oh, we're closing up the curtain because they got safety drills. Musters is about to come up, so they got to do that. So they close it down for that.
I don't have the right shoes on
anyway. They did say that you got to have
closed-toed shoes.
Closed-toed shoes on in order to ride it. So no flip-flops.
That makes sense because you're pedaling along, your flip-flop falls off, hit somebody in the head.
I was about to get on that bad boy.
I would have videoed you. I got flip-flops on.
Then you have the ropes course. You got putt-putt golf.
So much to do. Oh my. This is gonna be fun. Look at these water slides. Wow. The drencher's filling up. That's cool. I'm waiting for the drencher. Come on, power drencher. So this is our spot. There's these comfy seatings that are right here on deck 11. Okay, so there's deck 10.
And this is a great place to do the diamond movie.
Oh yeah.
Because look at that view of the TV. Yeah. Look, if it does start raining, it's covered. And these cool little cubes
light up at night
that you can double as an ottoman.
Yeah, they light up
at night. But they light up at night. It's really cool atmosphere out here.
Yep, this is our spot. We're gonna sit here until we have to go to our muster drill. Is that what we're doing? So we just got back from our cabin and we have a little surprise from Teresa. Thank you, Teresa. Open the lid, see what it is.
Well, very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Matty, your cruise director. Hope you're having a beautiful one out there so far.
They were here before I got back and they really wanted a strawberry.
He did. I was okay with waiting for you.
You were nice enough to wait.
He wanted to.
Mmm.
I've never had a chocolate covered strawberry.
Yes, you have.
Oh, like this, a Carnival cruise.
Oh, you haven't had a special Carnival cruise chocolate. You're so funny.
You did such a bad job.
Is it good? I'm taking it that's good.
I lost all the chocolate.
Thank you, Teresa, very much. That's an awesome gift. My hair needs to be brushed.
So